Welcome to the world of numbers, where math is not just a subject but a universal language. Brace yourself for 10 fascinating facts. 1. 0 is the only number that cannot be represented in Roman numerals. 2. The word hundred is derived from the Old Norse term hundreth, which actually means 120. 3. Did you know that 4 is the only number with the same amount of letters as its value? 4. The number 5 is associated with balance and harmony in many cultures. Fact 5. 7 is the most popular favorite number. 6. The number 13 is considered unlucky in many cultures, but lucky in some. 7. The number 4 is considered unlucky in some Asian cultures. 8. The most common number in a set is known as the mode. 9. A perfect number is one where the sum of its divisors equals the number itself, like 6. And 10. Google is a term for 10 raised to the power of 100. Numbers, they're not just digits, they're stories. Stay curious and keep exploring the magic of math.